Find the rate of change for the graph below. Use appropriate units. In order to use appropriate units for the rate of change, we need to see what units are used on the axes. Notice that the horizontal axis is labeled in years, and the vertical axis is labeled in the number of people on the National Do Not Call Registry in millions. So we'd be looking at millions of people for vertical units and years for horizontal units. In order to find the rate of change for the graph, we need to identify a couple of points on the line. And we can see that two of the points on the line are 2003, 50, and 2005, 100. Now that we have those 2 points, we can use them to find the rate of change. And we're going to be using the appropriate units as we work. The rate of change is going to be the change in the vertical unit divided by the change in the horizontal unit. So we'll write that as a fraction. We will have 100, which you remember stands for 100 million people, and we will subtract 50, which stands for 50 million people. And this would be the vertical change between these 2 points, and we'll divide that by the horizontal change, which would be 2005 minus 2003, and those are years. If we subtract in the numerator, we get 50 million people. That's 100 minus 50. 50 million people in 2005 minus 2003 is 2 years. And our units are then going to be millions of people per year. Well, let's simplify. We have 50 divided by 2 is 25. So that gives us 25 million people per year. And that's the rate of change for this graph.